Sydney, where's your horsey? Horsey! Ooh, there it is. You gonna ride on it? Yay! Push the button. Where's the button?
Dada.
Where's the button? Dada's not here to push the button. I'll mommy do it.
Let's go for a ride.
With the music?
I'm a little pony, flippity-flop, flippity-flop, such a pretty pony, flippity-flop, flippity-flop. I love to have my coat brushed underneath the old oak tree. Let's jump and run, we'll have lots of fun. Can you come and play with me?
Are you going poop? Poo-poo? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Baby.
Baby.
Where's your baby? Want to give your baby a kiss? Give your baby a kiss. Where is your baby?
Oh.
Where? Her baby. Or do you see Elmo? Where's Elmo? Hey, Elmo. Where's Elmo? Elmo. Where is he? Do you see Elmo? Where is Elmo? Show mommy. Elmo. Where's Elmo? Go get Elmo. Go get Elmo. There's Elmo. Can you give Elmo a kiss? Give Elmo a kiss. Oh, give her a kiss. Oh. Are you going poop? Give Elmo a kiss. Please. Where did you go? And where's your ball? Where's your ball? Ball. Where is it? Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Bring that to mommy. Come here. Let me see.